Africa my continent, Africa my home. Lo usebenza emakhempini sila. Tshela abantu ukuthi kufunani kufundeni akusheshe 30 seconds.
Ngiyabonga igama lami nguSiyabonga Castro kaMbadi Sibongo. Ngizalwa eKwaPhungula eMzimkhulu kodwa ngila eSheftini ngoma abacele. Ngikhulele khona la endaweni eSheftini ngifundela ukuthi ngibe ummeli. Position engisika njengamanje is to be candidates at 10 noma ngabe yiphi lo firm I'm willing to relocate. I'm very hardworking, disciplined, understand people from all walks of life, from all backgrounds. I have a good personality. Office lakho kuzoba mnandi kakhulu mekhona mina nomsebenzi kade ngiyawenza kade futhi nabantu futhi ngiyakwazi ukusebenza nabo from all backgrounds. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyacela ningisize South Africa ngiyabonga.
How many number bazokuthinta kanjani?
Oh 0670561012 0670561012 okanye Siyabonga Phungula1@gmail.com.
Mina sengigadile through God, grace, mercy. You got it. Thank you.
Uma wami la aphumile athe azotshela ukuthi ashiyile. So bekuthi ke veka sathi ngeke nibuyisezeka ukuthi iyamusibi guys. Uzocela usungqolele ke packet ukuthi sasa le.
Oh, so elasemoli.
Yes. Sawubona. So manje ake siyachaza ukuthi ake kuze ibhakethi mhlawumbe oliphethe njengoba kuyisakhiwo semola imithetho yakhona kanjani kodwa ke izicelo sidiscuss ngoba umsebenzi owenzayo sa understand ukubaleka kwawo so asikwazi ukuthi sime emsebenzini sicela ukuthi uqhubeke umsebenzi because khona ama customers ofika la sesawu withdraw sicela ukuthi seze umsebenzi siqhubeke umsebenzi wakho.
Susenza undercover manje sufale
ayikho njani ake sibele ngayazi impumela yomsebenzi kumuntu omnyama ayikho inhlobo yokuphila ngayazi so manje into ezayo kwabuseli yasoze sakhulu in fact ukuba abaholi bethu bafana nawe bonke ngabe sikude kakhulu eSouth Africa.
Manje utshela abantu ubani lo?
Mina nguSiyabonga igama ngaphungula Sibongo. Yes. Ngakhona la South Coast ngafunda ongo ngangenza LLB. So ngoba amancane ke impilo kodwa nje ngibukuthi ngiyasebenzela ekhaya. Umuntu nje ufisa ukwenza ama articles ukuba ummeli.
Mana ngawuqeda iLLB yakho.
Ngaqeda ngo2019 LLB ngaba neparty lokuthi 2021 lockdown. Base ngiba nenhlanhla yemsebenzi ufacilitator up until ngibuye la ekhaya because the ekhaya ngisebenza from grade 11 to 12 la ekhaya. So yona experience enginayo is to be ukuthi ngibuye sipazi nje I'm looking for my articles to become a candidate at 10.
Unamanga?
Yes.
Unamanga wena?
Yeah.
You lying?
Yeah.
Umali lo?
LLB.
Mana ke lokho nona sifanele yenze. Yabona ke laba ke. Laba ngiyabethemba. Ngizobanika inamba zakho. Usebenza kuphi uTokoza kuphi?
Ngitokoza nje khona la ekhaya eMarket Beans eCosmoli. But I have an LLB engathola from the University of Zululand. Give for myself UNISO from a generally 2018 ukuthi nje ngasuke ngumuntu omashashaba umntwana so manje kumele ngisebenze akwazi ukuhlala although ikhona option ukuthi uhlale but angikwazi sesengibudala kumele ngisupport semini kumele ngisupport nomntwana besimhlabeni so
yazi kanjani lokho awubanikeze inamba yakho ocingwa abameli abakhona abanamafem ukuthi nakho la kutholakala ne-social media banikeze yonke into mina laba ngiyabazi awanele
igama uSiyabonga Castro kaMbandlwa inamba yami ithi 0670561012 umuntu bamselo ngiyamazi amazi engifisa kakhulu kumsebenzela kwefem yakhe ubhoti uZuma eThekwini uZuma and partners ngikhoze kakhulu nobaba ubhoti ohlezi sianalizela uzikalala nayo yabona
uyibona abantu bafuna
abantu engibukela kubona ngokusebenza so manje abantu ke ngibukele kubona
imuphi lo Zuma okhuluma ngani
uZuma umyeni kaJesus umyeni kaJesus
zikalala impumelela ngithi
yebo impumelela
mina ngisamcinga njalo lapha ngingaboni kahle bangicela ngane independent kumbe ikhuthume naso yes awuthi ufuna ukumshayela manje.
Yeah.
Ukumkhipha amaholiday.
Yeah.
Ngicingo osikelana. Angifuni isiloko siyale siyale.
Yeah.
Ngothi ngicinge uzuma ke manje. Angicingela uxola uzuma.
Nga-apply because ubisanda kwakhipha ama-post ukhula nzima ku-Wheel of Fame yakho, so nga-apply ngingatholi i-response.
Ukuthi basemaholidini babameli. Bamba ucingo oluntu basemaholidini. Kodwa-ke akunalutho sibazamile bazobafanele ngizobatshela ukuthi kunalo msebenzi. Kodwa nje uNkulunkulu emuhle, hayi mina I can safely say you got it.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Hayi mfowethu ngisho ngesingisi uma ngikhuluma nommeli, I can safely say you got it.
In good standing.
Alikunake nami ngizophila.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga mfowethu. Thank you so much. Siyabonga baba. Thank you. Africa my continent. Ubani lo? Hayi lo. I-introduction ke this time around izothi nanglo owakho lo. Awutshela abantu ukuthi ubani. Was right.
Yebo igama siyabonga uCastro kaMbandla uzondaba khaladi kadula amasodulazi phansi emzimkhulu mfule nguphuzo ayibona umzimkhulu phansi emhlweni kaManqane ngizalwe intombi yakacele eSheftini ya mina wethu angazi ngathini
bakhumbuze
sahlangana eMarkenbini eSouth Mall ngilethe lona ibhakede kubaba umsweli ngisho ukuthi manje sineyinkinga isakhiwo sasemoli imithetho yakhona yokuthi ke manje ibhakede angakwazi ukuliphatha isatha silifake eplastikini ngoba abantu abamnyama kakhulukazi ababekhona kulowo mall babe understanda umsebenzi kababa kanti nami futhi ngiya-understanda kakhulu kwakuthi bathi ke no asiqhubeni umsebenzi kodwa manje asiwudisguiseni ukuze ungabanga umsindo njengokuthi ubusilethele umsindo endaweni zesakhiwo zasemoli so kwake singixoxa-ke isitori sami-ke sokuthi njengoba ngisebenza eMarkenbini ngumuntu one-qualification e-LLB ngisaphothi abantu bakithi ku-social media kanye futhi nokunikeza ubaba umsweli platform kwakukuthi-ke gcine sefinyeleleke isifiso sami esikhulu sokuthi isifiso sami kakhulukazi kwakukuthi ngisebenzele iZuma and Partners yaxola Zuma kwasho bona ukuthi uNkulunkulu imithandazo yami shuthi kade uyilalela ukuthi nomsebenzi ofisayo le principal ofisa ukuthi ube nayo ubukela kuyona because mina I'm all about black excellence, I'm all about black establishment, I'm all about ukuthuthuka umuntu omnyama futhi bonke South Africa so ukurepresenta ibrand umuntu omnyama into ekade ngangifisa even ngisafunda e-university so yabona nje ngibe nenhlanhla kakhulu angazi ukuthi ngabonga kanjani support ngithole ebantwini i-support ngithole kubantu sasifunda nabo ngoye befakaza ngami izinto ezinhle kangizenza ngisafunda ngoye angazi ukuthi nginganibonga kanjani bafowethu uthando olungaka angazi ukuthi ngempela ngathi kunjani kumina ngithole kunina but into engisho ukuthi ngafisela ukuthi namunye umntwana umuntu omnyama mhlawumbe ukuthi mina sifana nesami so ukuthi ke izinto zakhe singahlangani ngicela ukuthi uqinisele lapho khona enye into ngifundile kakhulukazi kulonyaka kunezimo eziningi engidlule kuzona even izimo ezi-spiritual mhlawumbe ngeke ngikwazi ukuyichaza into engifundile kakhulu ukuthandaza doesn't matter what type of religion ukholelwa kuyona kodwa kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi uma uyingane uguqe phambi kwaNkulunkulu wakho ukhulume naye izinto othi-ke uyafisa ukuthi-ke zenzeke kuwena ubonge impilo because yonke lento ngaba yenzeka ukuba mhlawumbe angisekho emhlabeni noma ngabe mhlawumbe kuthiwa sekhona i-disability senginayo noma ngabe kuthiwa mhlawumbe sekhona into eyinkinga ngivelele nayo yonke into eyenzeka la kumina iwumusa kaNkulunkulu. So bafowethu la khona ngiyacela ukuthi-ke niwenze sure ukuthi-ke awumkhohlwa uNkulunkulu la khona uyaguqa sonke isikhathi. Nanabantu-ke bakithi siphila nabo, asifundeni ukuthi sihloniphaneni bafowethu, sithandane. Kunosisi owadlula emhlabeni wathi-ke yena ufisa ukukhunjulwa ngani, ngamkhohlwa igama, wathi ufisa ukukhunjulwa ngani, wathi yena akafisa ukukhunjulwa mesedlulile emhlabeni, kodwa into ayifisayo ukuthi thina esosala emhlabeni abantu abamnyama sibambaneni ngezandla, sinakekele abantu abadisabled, sinakekele abantu ababukelwa phansi, sinakekele abantu abahluphekayo. So ilokhu engicelayo ukuthi siqhubeke bafethu luthando ningiphe lona, qhubeke njalo kwande. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyabonga kakhulu Nongalo, ngiyabonga kakhulu umndeni wakho, ngiyabonga kakhulu Msholozi umndeni wakho, angazi ngathini, ngiyabonga abantu bakithi.
Batshelile abantu ukuthi uzoqala nini emsebenzini?
Lokho-ke shuthi manje ngoba manje sekunama-contracts, ama-contracts abuya abe-confidential. So manje sizothi ukuthi bahamba lolo daba kancane ngoba manje akufanele ukuthi information yonke.
Kodwa i-role model yakho uyayibona i-role model?
Yes, bengingachaza la ku-Facebook futhi ukuthi njengoba ngangisongoye ngangumuntu oyi-political active. I-political lecture yokuqala engayi-attenda kwakuyakhe ubhuti uXolani. Wakhuluma ngama-steps lapho ukuthi uma ngabe uyimember yenhlangano kune-step sokuqala sokuthi fanele kube njani, ube ulava ye-organization ukuthi ngiyayithanda le nhlangano, ube yi-support ye-organization ukuthi uyayilandela-ke manje. Mase ube activist ye-organization ukuthi manje usuyaqala uyasebenza before uzufike kube di-lead, yabo. Laba akakhumbuli lokho, but bele akakhumbule because kwakuyi-political lecture yami yokuqala enga-attenda, and lawo magama ahlala kumina up until ngize ngibe i-SRC member ongoye. Kuningi futhi engakwenza kwi-SRC ongoye. Sasikufisa isikhathi la i-LLB yacishe yahamba ongoye. I-SRC yathuma mina ukuthi ngiyohlala kwipanel le ikwakureview kuyona i-LLB. So sasebenza yabuya i-LLB sinama-module amasha manje and i-highly equipped ngoba sazi ukuthi even kwi-constitutional court sinama-judge aphuma ongoye, nayo uNqamalalo uphuma ongoye. I-LLB yasongoye-ke ngathi i-ranka phezulu eSouth Africa ukudlula amanye ama-LLB. Manje siqhamuka kwi-university kuthiwa yasemakhaya, kodwa nje bayazi-ke abafowethu, even abafowethu bayazi-ke abamaloya namanje abaphuma ongoye bahamba phambili kakhulu. And nami ngiyafisa ukuthi ngibe ummeli onjalo. Ngiyafisa abafowethu ukuthi abantu abazowadinga ama-services awethu Zuma and Partners ukuthi bafowethu nenze njalo, nisithinte ngoba manje sizobe sikhwikhi kakhulu ngomsebenzi. Mina ngiziconsider njengomuntu who works on top of his feet in terms of thinking ukuthi fine, I do apply hard work when it's necessary, but ngumuntu uthanda ukuthi asebenze ngokuba quick nokuthi sebenze smart in a way to make umsebenzi, because umsebenzi waka-law is lengthy, it requires documentation eningi, but it needs someone who can be able to think of their feet. So I think ngizokwazi ukuthi ngi-apply lokho mase ngifika kaZuma and Partners. But nje ngicela kakhulu i-support ukuthi siqhubeke, umuntu odinga ama-services as-approach maningi ama-services sowa-provide, road accident fund, medical injuries, divorce. Yabona-ke divorce ila ngigude khona kakhulu ngoba nje ngoba manje kuyadlalwa ngani, nibuye ngakwazi ukunikana izinto zenu kahle, mina ngiyakwazi ukukhalculate ninikane kahle izinto zenu yonke into ningaxabani, yabo. Indaba zenu buye zibe mnandi ka divorce, kodwa akizikhulumi ukuthi nje zibuye zingihlekise nje isikhathi, kodwa nje into engithandayo ukuthi umsebenzi ukuthi awusakhonkludi ukuthi abantu besani decree behlukane ngendlela e-right. Kuningi sobe sikwenza emsebenzini wakala, kodwa nje kuzobe kubhizi kakhulu,
Angafihla mana kanjalo anginikeze umfokazi Zuma Msholozi
Nongalo
ukuba ilita uqali namhlanje na bayisholo bona kushonile mina ngithathele.
Yes.
Msholozi ithi lensizwa le uyi-role model yakhala ngabe yathi wena, yathi impumelelo sikalala, yathi naka ama-role model ami, kanti umbiko uzoshesha ufike.
I think into yokuqala nje Nongalo insizwa le into right kakhulu ukudlula ezinye is that usupport i-Kaizer Chiefs.
Or like Haxa to put the Pirates.
Hayi ungaleka mama ungayithathi ingane zala ekhaya zoyilungisa. But on a serious note longer, I think masihlangana it must have been a year or 2 years ago.
Yes.
Sayikhuluma nje halamuzi lento ukuthi ayikho into ebalekile njengabantu ukunderstanda imvelaphi yethu.
Yes.
Mukhumbula sakhuluma indaba zokuthi abantu bakithi abaningi bayakhohlwa ukuthi la sisuka khona thina abanye bethe emakhaya ubuthi umuvuka ekseni uthatha isikhokho ingoloyi uthi vru.
Yes.
Ushaya umbhobhodlo uhambe esikoleni.
Esikoleni, yes.
But into esoke isekhanda labazali nasekhanda lakho ukuthi ngelinye ilanga
Yes.
ufuna ukuthi lolu phuthu nalengoloyi edliwayo nalamaselwa wadla ngesikhathi esirong ukwazi ukushintsha.
Yes.
But iqiniso is that uNkulunkulu mabless umuntu akambless so that uzokhukhumala.
Yes.
Uzohambe rocket yophuza every day and spend 150,000. But the purpose kaNkulunkulu yokubless umuntu is so that you can be a blessing to others. Ngoba if unikezwe isibana kusho ukuthi fanele ukhanyisele wena wedwa.
Yes.
The funny part is that even imoto mayihamba emgwaqeni if ukhanyisa imoto yakho, it also helps nale moto ephambili ukuzibona ukuthi okay khona imoto engemuva but nokukhanyisa ngaphambili. So impilo is like that, yabo. I think isimo salensizwa kimina sijule kakhulu. Because singithinta because nami ngeke ngaba umfana omncane.
Yes.
Wake wafisa ukuba nekusasa eqhakazile empilweni. And ziba khona ingqinamba kitsonke. So sometimes abantu they don't understand usizi lomuntu mangabe lenzeka sometimes because abakaze bale experience.
Yes.
So lensizwa siqala manje ukuxhumana sike saxhumana some years ago inale nkinga yaSongoye and I have a very soft spot for abantu abafunda ongoye.
Yes.
Because abafundi abafunda ongoye they have a serious challenge yokuthi uma ufunda ongoye even if ufunda law kufanele uqala ufunde ukuthatha iconcept uyishintshe uyifake esingisini because the quality of education sometimes ebitholakala ongoye iyinkinga. Well namanje sekhona because you see some of the lecturers who are teaching law there even izinto abayikhuluma nabayibhala ku Facebook yabona ukuthi it makes sense now why some of these kids are not passing the interviews. They have wrong lecturers who are young in nature by the way. So kusekuningi sekufanele sikwenza ukusiza abantu. So ke makwenzeka lento yalensizwa ngakhumbula ukuthi nami yazi ngangu-president ongoye and some of the things that he went through ehlukunyezwa university, I've been there, I've seen that, you know. But nami ngiphuma emakhaya ngiphuma elokishini ngekwazi ukuhlupheka.
Yes.
But ke obviously because umuntu unamahloni yabo we ended up sikhuluma siphinde sishiye endleleni isho yakhe but yagcina ilungisekile. So mangibona leya video ungisendela I was deeply touched and umufona by the way bengekho holiday I was sitting there, I had a hearing, so I was working throughout December.
Oh yes, yes.
So it was quite busy. So mangibona I spoke to my wife and I said, you know what, I've always wanted to help this young man. And uNongalo usezivele wasihambela phambili. This is an opportunity and for us, you know, it's not about grandstanding, it's not about ukubukwa abantu, it's just about changing impilo yomunye umuntu because if you change his life, you are changing a life abantu abaningi ePort Shepstone.
Yes.
Because not only family yakhe but abantu abambukayo they see a hope kuyena ukuthi if engasuka eMageni and become a lawyer ayohlala sekunoba nogesi omningi manje lezohlala khona kuyaphithizela I'm sure uyabona la neemoto eziningi udlule ePort Shepstone. So bazoqala nabo umuntu abe nethemba ukuthi I don't have to do drugs, I don't have to sell ama-drugs ngisetshenziswa ama-Nigerians, I don't have to sell umzimba, I don't have to steal because if he was able to persevere bekezele for such a long time with an LLB degree ukusebenza eMageni ufundile it's not a joke, you know. Mina ngangazama nongalo ngingenayo imali ukuya esikoleni ngahamba empangeni yonke ngifuna ukusebenza emabhala lapha emaclubini bengixosha for some reason and I'll tell you why I think that happened. Ngaya ngisho emasocial ngathi ngiyafika ngimncane yathi social hey you must go back to school, you are too thin, you're gonna die here. So banginqaba ukungiqasha ke emasocial but I now know ukuthi uNkulunkulu wanted me to go and do what I'm doing now. And that is why I couldn't survive even in government. I couldn't survive even in politics. At least in the politics, so I'm writing my book, which I'm going to release in the near future about how toxic politics can be for people who can't think properly about their future. But it's important to have such young people that they can tell corner isikhathi sisekhona, you know, banga give up empilweni. So I can assure you now, this is going to be one of the best lawyers in town. We're going to produce the best quality. We always produce quality anyway. And once we've done that, he's going to do wonders. He can decide he wants to stay with practice as women partners for as long as he lives. He's not going to go anywhere. But if he wants to become a judge in future, because what we are producing now, Nongalo, the crop we're producing now for the next 10 years, we're going to produce your judges, we're going to produce your prosecutors, we're going to produce anything that has to do with law. Don't be surprised in future if you see a public protector coming from Zoom partners, because we have a duty to shape this country. We have a duty to create sound and sober young people. Because the problem we have currently is that every single young person doesn't know how to fight for the survival of abantu abamnyama. Genuinely, you see, there's time for people to focus ekutheni ngifuna ukusizwa because uNongalo uyi-member of Party A, Party B. Forget about that nonsense. South Africa does not need politics. It needs people aba understand ubuntu njengawe. It needs abantu abathi even if uNongalo asivumelani politically.
Yes.
But if uNongalo wants to go and put bread etafuleni lomuntu, I'm going to support uNongalo. And you do these things and I know you don't like this. But mina ngifuna ukukubonga usaphila because thina siyaphapha. Sifuna umuntu mesefile sokubangela umndeni wakhe isicefe sibanga umsindo and then tell them ukuthi ngeke balambe besekhona. They will never come back, by the way. The only people abazofe bezokubheka ethuna nezingane zakho kuphela. Laba babanga umsindo lapho they'll never come back. They are doing it for TV. So we need every single young black person to forget about where you come from, forget about your religion. If you're a Christian, it's fine. If you're a Shembe, if you are a Satanist, forget about it now. South Africa has a crisis of unemployment.
Yes.
We all have to change that. This young man applied in December. I told him namhlanje because ke lapha kaZuma apply ama rules aZuma, apply ama rules government.
Oh, okay.
So we had 511 young people who looked for employment. In December, we advertised for about 2-3 days. I didn't have time to sit and shortlist 511. So we had to use a different system to identify a candidate. Uzubona indlela yaNkulunkulu yokusebenza. So when we identified that candidate, some appointed on December, it was not him. The two men I was not going to, for the life of me, to go through some. Even Ukwede Mantashe said, abantu bavilapha bofuna imisebenzi. He doesn't know that young kids apply 500 of them in December and are told they don't look for jobs. And employers don't have time to do that sometimes. They need these young people to come, and they do. But it's difficult because I can advertise now 2,000 young people who look for the same articles. So it's very difficult out there. But because uNkulunkulu nendlela yakhe, you happened. And he's going to be the second attempt to be appointed over a space of a month. There was no space. There was, that we said, kodwa, because ama rules that were vela ngithi lento uNkulunkulu sinikezwe we're going to do it according to our own rules because he has shown ukuthi uyayifuna lento and akayifuni just for ukondla umndeni wakhe because law is not about money, by the way. I think I must tell you, law justice, if you want to be a lawyer, it's about changing impilo zabantu, making sure that the constitution that people make noise about is understood and the rights in the constitution benefits every single citizen that exists in the country. And when you do that and respect your clients, respect them by keeping confidential their issues, it divorce you die. If kuwukuthi mina ngiphuzela ijuice, khona umunye babekhuluma hayi no la banomsindo shuthi baphuzile, someone is just writing on Facebook. Some of us at least don't drink at least anymore. So manginenkinga ngibukela iTV ngishaya ijuice. Now mawufuna ukuyishayela iwhiskey, don't go to a restaurant ukhulume nabantu ngama clients. You can sit wahle kuhle wedwa. Say, hey, what do Nongalo? Hey, you know, laba ngayiseklishe lento yokubanga inkomishi, you know.
Yes.
But keep your client's secrets with you until you die. Lawyers don't talk too much. You write when there's a need. Generally, if you become a lawyer, write about soccer on Facebook. Don't write like an ordinary citizen. You know, you have an upper responsibility more than any other person. There are only two people nongala abantu abafunga eSouth Africa bathathe oath, i-politician nommeli. The difference is that politicians change their positions every day in terms of how they think. Lawyers are just sticking to the constitution forever. There's a difference about, you know, in terms of how you respect the oath. So your calling is the higher calling. We are called to serve forever. You know, you would one day sit and be a judge and decide in Impilo Zabantu. You would take decisions in favor of the person that you hate the most. And that is what a lawyer is about. And that's what we're going to produce here. But also, this man must go to Potchefstroom now and make sure that he trains many other young people in terms of perseverance and fighting for survival. Ayikho imisebenzi. Abanye abantu, they must know ukuthi they don't have to look for jobs, they must create them. Because no government would say, hey, abayofuna imisebenzi bayikuvilapha. No, but we have created a culture of dependence to the state.
Yes,
We
yes.
wanted to be a socialist state. We need to change how we do things, and we are going to start here by helping abanye abantu to find jobs, to find employment, to create employment, so that South Africa will deal with inequality and destroy it. But for me, I'm excited. What excites me empilweni is not izinto uNkulunkulu angibusisa ngazo. Whether I can travel the world every year, that's why you'd never even see me posting about that. What makes me sleep at night is knowing that there's a young boy from somewhere who is exactly like me 20 years ago when I came from Ngwavuma or Esikhaweni or Newcastle with nothing, whose life has changed. And that boy can go and change 10 lives. And those 10 lives will change 20 lives. Because if you do that, then you know Mzimkhulu.
Yes.
You are going to be the next after Advocate Kuboni, after, you know, the public protector, Xobo, Olungi, and others who become lawyers from that area. And then you take your own money to pay for education of those kids to become the next lawyers for Mzimkhulu to have a law firm there, a successful law firm for the Mets at Xobo, Opongolo, Olundi, so that you don't have law firms at Tegwini Pair.
Yes.
So only us can do that if usibambisene zabantu abamnyama. Mina igcine nje isicelo sami kubantu abamnyama ake siyeke ukuzondana.
Yes.
Because you see mangabe unokuzonda umuntu on social media abhale ngabasho yonke uyazi ukuthi uyazilo kahle kahle i-opportunity yakhe yokuphuma kulento akuyona bekumina. Yazi ukuthi it was just one day for this guy to get out of this misery. Kodwa ngoba ubone wena ukuthi ufuna ukujabulisa usopolitiki bese uthi ngithuka uZuma. Uthuka uZuma kanti lo muntu bezokunika i-breakthrough yakho bezokhuluma noZuma the following day. Bese ethi kodwa yazi ngane ngabe ngiyinika lento. Yini wenzeni kuyona ngithi angiyazi nokuyazi, you know. Futhi nje, you know, so empilweni it doesn't matter how you disagree with people. You need to find a way of just coexisting as abantu abamnyama sizwane sithandana, and we'll be fine. So I want to say to him congratulations, and you awumkwelete nongani, but ukwelete abantu abaningi ukubafundisa ukuthi impilo yakwazi ukuqhubeka even after umzimba. So yeah, ngaze ngikhuluma kakhulu ngayiyeka ipolitiki because kukhulunywa kakhulu yangihlula, but yeah, I did say that problem enkulu is abantu abaningi bajabuka ukuba ama-leaders before baqale kuma-basics of understanding i-role yokuba i-leader. And i-leader, you don't need a position. You lead wherever la ukhona njengoba ulide nongalo. But thank you so much. All the best and welcome to Zuma and Partners.
Thank you.
This is the A-team. We do miracles there.
Thank you so much.
We have a track record of winning over 90% since we have, since we established 12 years ago, and we're not going to change that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Engisasho lutho into engizoyisho bafowethu emsholozi ngizocela nabantu bonke iplatform yami ku Facebook sina 1.2 million abantu ababuka ama programs ethu, TikTok 1.1 million, angazi lana manje. Ngifisa ukuthi siqhubeke laba bantu ngibabela, siqhubeke senze lento esiyenzayo. Si stockfela, ngathi si stockfela. Manje kunabantu aba 1.2 million ngoba abanye uzikalalo ofarishile umpumelelo, umathenjwa na ofarishile, khona omunye usisi osebenza e-province nawo besixhuma abantu baningi okusho ukuthi laba bantu abalapha aba 1.2 bonke bebe behind him, ba behind you ukuthi uyazini nami khona umuntu engimaziyo, khona inkampani engiyaziyo, khona ilaw firm engiyaziyo. So ngiyafisa nje ukuthi le platform siyenze kube yesizwe, kube ukuthi izingane nina ingane nisebancane akhuluma ngazo Zuma, ukulinda ibhasi estopini, hamba uyofunda bese ke uthi ukuthi wenza umsebenzi ongakawuthandi. Sizofika one way or other, ngizofika mina ngizothatha u5 rand no 10 rand. Lokhu ngikwenza ngenhloso, I'm very intentional ukuthi uma umuntu ezodonate ngiyambuza ukuthi ubani, ngisuke ngenzela zona lezi zinto ukuthi singathatha u5 rand sihambe no5 rand bese sikhohlwa ukuthi lo muntu lo mhlambe khona iboost ayifunayo. Yilokho nje ngizokusho ukuthi platform le eyeno, okusho ukuthi ke asisebenze kuyona sishintshe impilo zabantu njengoba esho Msholozi. I thank you.
Ngicela nje ukugcina Nongalo, angazi noma mhlambe ngezwakala yini. Ngicela nje Nongalo ukubonga umfowethu ngikhulisile, ingane kamama yokuqala uSibusiso Mpisane. Unobaba wakhe ke yena, nami nginobaba wamphungulo kwaMpisane, kodwa ungithathe seyidlulile abazali bami emhlabeni, wangikhulisa wangenza le nto engiyiyona namhlanje. Mfowethu lapho khona ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi vele ngibe emotional ke mfowethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyabonga.
Na usiyothi mawusuqeda ke uthe wena nonemali encane mawusebenzile ungamkhohlwa nemali encane nongenalutho. I thank you. Sulifaka la semamall ke kwasho wena wathi ela semamall le. Thank you, siyabonga kakhulu. All the best.
Ngiyabonga.
Thank you.